If this is your first crypto bull market, then know that every cycle there is always something that comes about that makes people go absolutely wild at the potential of the money that they can make from doing very little things. In past cycles, it was ICOs, then IDOs, and NFTs was even another big one. And in this cycle, it seems to be airdrops. Now, I myself have not participated in airdrops so far this cycle. I did play around a little bit in the last cycle, but so far I haven't actually dipped my toes in yet. I really am mostly a technical analyst, and I feel very, very comfortable just looking at charts and trading. But you know what? I'm FOMOing, guys. This is going to be my first airdrop, and I thought, why not film it with you guys? And let's just see what happens. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I've come across, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got involved and how you can also get involved too if you want to. But of course, this video is a no guarantee thing. I am testing something out for myself, and it may go great. It may not go great. It may completely fail. But I'm willing to have a go and to document it for you to show you my experience. So to follow along with me on this journey, all you need to do is hit the like button down below and also hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get into what I have found recently. So I'm on the OKX Exchange, and on OKX, they have something called a Jumpstart. Very, very similar to an airdrop, where you can stake crypto that you have in order to participate in this Jumpstart to receive tokens on a new asset that is going to launch soon. So they don't do this all very often, and this one has just gone live today. So I'm going to talk you through how to get involved in this. And we're looking at this one here, which is 𝗧𝗍, and this has just launched today. The end day is in a few days' time, but the process for this will be the same when they have future jump starts as well. So to find this page on OKX, you just log into your OKX account. If you don't have one, there is a link down below where you can join OKX, and also that specific link will get you 20% trading fee discount for life. So it's definitely worth using that link because those discounts definitely add up over time, and they will simply be found as trading fee rebates in your account every time you take a trade. But once you're on OKX, you come up here to the grow section and then you click on Jumpstart. I've also put the direct link for this page in the description down below to make it easier for you. But once you're here, you'll find this. This is the live project, and you can also see some past projects as well if you want to have a look into them. Some of these have done some amazing things. 𝗬𝗍 1976%, 𝗬𝗏 1497, ELT 2189, BRWL 16,827. Now, guys, that's not a guarantee. There are projects that didn't do massively well. I saw them earlier. Historical gains on Gods Unchained, 244%. I mean, it's not bad. Radium, 239. They're not bad, but they're not the exponential kind of things. I just want to be very, very upfront about that. So let's take a look at this one in particular. 𝗧𝗍 is revolutionizing the digital world, enhancing computational power and blockchain ecosystem integration, covering Web 2 and Web 3. Using 𝗧𝗍 Bridge as a platform to develop, test, and refine the system is the key to their vision, extending the 𝗧𝗍 Bridge for broader Web 2 and Web 3 application interoperability and a real-world asset integration into Web 3. Here you can see the token supply, and you can also see the token type, and here we can see the token allocation, 32% ecosystem and network incentives, 28% to investors, 15% to community, airdrop and marketing, 15% foundation reserves, and 10% core contributors. Staking rules, we can see that you are able to stake Bitcoin or ETH or both. The tokens that you earn are 𝗧𝗍. The total amount of mineable tokens in the Bitcoin staking pool is 3 million, and the total amount in the ETH staking pool is also 3 million. Mining period on this one is from 15th of March until the 19th. No minimum. Maximum for Bitcoin staking is 0.3. Maximum for ETH is 3.5. You can stake and unstake at any time. If you do click unstake to release your Bitcoin or ETH at any time, the BTC or ETH will be automatically returned to your funding account. And if you don't unstake early before the end of mining, when the mining is done, the tokens staked as rewards will be automatically distributed to your funding account within 2 hours after the event ends. So let's go through the staking process. At the time of filming this, they have distributed 154,000 ZK. So there's still time on this particular one, but my understanding is that the earlier you get in on these things, the more tokens you'll be allocated. So when future Jumpstarts come out, make sure you get in as soon as they go live. Now with this one in particular, you can stake Bitcoin, or you also have the option to stake Ethereum. With Bitcoin, the maximum you can stake is 0.3 BTC, and with Ethereum, the maximum you can stake is 3.5 ETH. You do need to be in an eligible country, and you also need to have done your KYC. So if you pass all of that, then it's very, very easy to move forward. But I will tell you one thing that took me much longer than it should have to realize is that you can actually only do this staking on the OKX app. And it took me a while to notice this sentence down here. When I was clicking on stake without reading that sentence, it kept taking me to this page, and I thought there was an error, until eventually it clicked and I saw this down here. So I'm going to show you how to do it on a mobile app. So first of all, make sure you've downloaded the OKX app and then log into your OKX account from there. And then you need to make sure that you have your Bitcoin or your ETH, whichever one you want to stake with. And you can actually stake with both as well, by the way. So decide if you want one or both or which one, but make sure your Bitcoin or your ETH is in your funding wallet. Then in your app, you'll see an Earn tab. So click on Earn. Once inside there, click on Jumpstart. In the Jumpstart section, you will see ongoing projects down the bottom, and then you'll see ZK mining. Click on Join, which will take you to this page. Then click on the tab whether you're going to stake Bitcoin or Ethereum, or if you want to do both, just click one to start with. Type in the amount of crypto that you want to use, making sure it doesn't go over the maximum, but you could do anything under the maximum. And then you'll see this little success thing pop up, and it says there your rewards are being calculated and will be sent to your funding account within 2 hours after the event. That's how you know that you've successfully done it. Now, if you do want to then go back and stake the other crypto, you can simply just go back to the same page. This time, click on the other one, which would be Ethereum in this case. Type in how much ETH you want to stake and just do exactly the same steps until you see the success button. Now, finally, if you want to track this and just make sure that you've done it all right, go back to the Jumpstart section, refresh your page, and you will see in there the ZK mining. It will show you how much you've staked. It will show you your total rewards, and it also has the countdown timer there to know how many days you have left. So that is my first Jumpstart experience for this cycle. Now, I will leave all of the links to everything down below in case you are wanting to participate yourself. And while you're down there, it'd be highly appreciated if you can smash the like button if you haven't already. Hit subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Leave me a comment as well and let me know if you want me to do a follow-up video on this once the period has ended and I have received my tokens. And I will see you guys on the next video.